came across a TWD file from an old document management setup. This is a TabWorks Workspace configuration that organizes documents like physical file folders. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and work with these TabWorks Workspace files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the TWD format. Details below. Details. Users encounter .TWD files when dealing with legacy systems that use Xerox TabWorks, a visual desktop organizer. They are searching for a way to access the layout and shortcuts saved in these old workspace files, often during data migration or when trying to recover information from an old computer. The TWD file is a proprietary binary format designed to store configuration data, including the positions of icons, links to applications, and the overall layout of the TabWorks book. This structure was chosen for its efficiency in quickly loading and saving the user's customized desktop environment on older hardware. TabWorks, developed by Xerox Corporation, is often used as the source validator for TWD. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows lets you open the file, but editing is risky unless you understand the configuration schema. To force file access, right-click your TWD file and select Open With. If TabWorks is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If you cannot access the TWD file, no problem. Rather than guessing, let's understand the root cause. Before we deploy the universal fix, here are the most common technical reasons your TWD file is generating this error. First, opening in TabWorks. Install TabWorks software and double-click the TWD file to launch the workspace. TabWorks displays the configured tabs and document organization, recreating the original filing structure. Navigate between tabs to access organized document collections with the visual filing cabinet interface designed for intuitive document management workflows. Next, locating reference documents. TWD files contain references to external documents which must remain at their original paths. If documents have moved, TabWorks displays broken links. Use the workspace properties to update document paths, or recreate the workspace pointing to current document locations to restore full functionality of the organized tabs. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Since TabWorks is legacy software, consider migrating workspace contents to modern document management tools. Manually catalog the documents referenced in the TWD workspace and recreate the organization in tools like Microsoft OneNote, SharePoint, or dedicated document management systems for continued accessibility and modern collaboration features. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.